Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to operate an IT8200 regenerative AC/DC electronic load. We'll complete this demonstration by switching the IT7900P high-performance regenerative grid simulator to load mode. Press the menu button to enter the menu interface and then tap the system icon to enter the system interface. Finally, tap Device Operation Mode, select Load Item, and wait for the device to change to IT8200. At present, the equipment enters the IT8200 load state. IT8200 series is a regenerative programmable AC/DC electronic load. It is power regenerative, which not only saves electricity and cooling costs for you, but also good for energy saving and environmental protection. AC load mode supports both rectification and non-rectification, providing CC, CR, CP, CS, CC plus CR, CE operating modes. It can simulate multiple circuit topologies under CE mode such as single-phase rectification RLC circuit and parallel RLC circuit. IT8200 can be applied to the test of V2G, EVSE, PCs, UPS, inverter, etc. The current interface is the main measurement interface of IT8200, which can display the status indicator area, load setting area, main parameter display area, frequency display area, and electrical performance parameter display area. The following is a detailed display of IT8200 menu items in the interface. You can see meter, scope, recorder, harmonics, wars, list, surge and sag, protect, system, config, save, recall, log, sweep. Tap the system icon to enter the system interface. Under the phase mode, you can select the AC mode of the load, such as single phase, three-phase and anti-phase mode. Under the couple mode, you can choose AC mode or DC mode, open or close rectifier mode, and set load and unload. Select immediately, the following phase angle cannot be set. Select phase, the following phase angle can be set according to the needs of the user. The setting speed of reconciliation rate can choose high speed or low speed, sense measurement function settings, and other settings. Couple mode, the following settings can be selected: AC mode or DC mode, rectifier mode on or off, loading and unloading settings. The phase angle cannot be set when immediately is selected, and the phase angle can be set according to the user when selecting phase. Reconciliation rate speed setting, can choose high or low speed, sense measurement function, and some other settings. Under the general menu, you can set the buzzer on and off, protect settings, buzzer switch in protection state, brightness, adjust screen brightness, factory default settings, weather to restore factory settings, power on setup, status setting when the instrument is powered on, parallel mode, setting of master, standalone, slave mode, touch function, setting of touch screen function lock, knob immediately effective, setting of pulsating knob, language, setting of language, soft keyboard, setting of soft keyboard, etc. Under the communication menu, USB type can set the type of USB device. The current USB device is used as communication interface. Host, the current USB device is used as peripheral device to storage. USB device class can set the communication interface protocol. You can also set the relevant LAN communication interface. IT8200 series load supports digital I/O function. Users can realize the logic control of signal input or output through relevant configuration items in the system menu, such as input and output signals, signal inversion, control of synchronization signals, pulse signals, etc. Under the Information menu, you can read the model, SN serial number, software version number, and MAC address of the device. Press the Config button. Under the Const Mode menu, you can set the load mode, such as CC, CR, CP, CS, CC+, CR, CE. In CE mode, the electronic load simulates the real electrical environment of the DUT by setting parameters such as RLC. In circuit simulation mode, the circuit topology can also be selected. Different topologies, different parameter settings, achieve different simulation states. For example, the parallel RLC mode can simulate the parallel RLC state. Rectifier single-phase RLC mode can simulate a single-phase rectifier RLC circuit. Unit PF is the unit power factor mode. When on, the unit power factor mode is turned on. At this time, the current waveform changes with the voltage waveform so that the power factor is as close to 1 as possible, which is suitable for the test occasions where the input voltage waveform is non-sine wave. When off, the unit power factor mode is turned off. At this time, the current waveform is not affected by the voltage waveform. The waveform selected in waveform shall prevail, and the actual power factor is affected by the voltage waveform, current waveform, and phase shift. Current AC sets the current value and current slope. Current DC sets the IDC value to realize the function of AC plus DC. Waveform, phase shift range, -90.0 tilde 90.0 selects the loading waveform, such as sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, trapezoid wave, clipped sine wave, THD, harmonic, 8200 built-in 30 harmonic current waveforms, and supports editing of harmonic custom waveforms, as well as custom waveforms edit. Let's introduce the editing of list. Click in New to enter the list file editing interface. In this interface, you can set ACRMSA and the waveform amplitude of the current step. Click More to configure other single-step configuration. You can configure the waveform amplitude, rising slope, DC bias, rising slope, phase angle, selection of carrier shape, CF value, phase shift voltage, current phase shift range, and other trigger parameters. After editing the current step, click Enter to confirm, click Escape to exit, and re-edit the next step. After the whole program is set, click Save and Name. If the input terminal of the current device is connected to the power supply, in the case of opening the output, first click the Load ON button to open, and then click Run. The program starts to run with the loading statue. 1. During the loading process, click the scope button to view the device's loading waveform in real time. Click the harmonic measurement button to measure the output harmonic voltage and current of the power supply. Press Shift plus Config to enter the Protect function menu. In this menu, you can set whether the UV and FE protection status is automatically cleared or manually cleared. Also can set voltage, current, power peak protection point and delay time. The above is all the content of this operation introduction. Thank you.
IT, your